Finally, today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated phones of 2025, the Google Pixel 10. And let me tell you, Google is going all out this time with some insane AI features and camera upgrades. So if you're excited about the Pixel 10, stick around because this phone is going to blow your mind. Alright, let's kick things out with the design and display. The Google Pixel 10 is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate. Yeah, you heard that right. Google is stepping up its game with ultra smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals that will make your videos and games look absolutely stunning. As for the design, Google seems to be sticking with its signature minimalist style but with a much thinner body. It is going to be sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly durable. Oh, and did I mention it's expected to come with a Gorilla Glass Victus 3, making it almost unbreakable. Comment down below if you have ever dropped your phone and wished it had a better protection. And now let's talk about performance. The Pixel 10 will be powered by the latest Tensor G5 chipset, which is designed to handle AI-driven tasks like a beast. This new chipset is not only faster but also more power efficient, giving you longer battery life without compromising on performance. Google is also introducing Android 15 within this phone, optimized for seamless multitasking and enhanced security features. If you love customization and smooth user experience, this phone is going to be your best friend. Now, we all know Google Pixels are famous for their cameras, and the Pixel 10 is taking that reputation to the next level. We are looking at a triple lens setup with 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. But here's the exciting part, the AI improvements. Google is promising real-time image enhancement, which means your photos will look stunning straight out of the cameras. And night mode, it's about to get a whole lot better with enhanced noise reduction and light capturing technology. They are even working on a feature called Motion Sense Pro, which can detect and enhance motion shot, perfect for sport photography and fast moving subjects. Tell me you're not excited about that. Let's not forget about the battery life. The Pixel 10 is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery with a fast charging and wireless charging support. And thanks to that Tensor 5G chipset, battery optimization is going to be on another level. No more worrying about running out of juice before the end of the day. And yeah, there's even talk about reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your earbuds or even another phone just by placing them on back of your Pixel 10. Super convenient, right? Now, when can you actually get your hands on this beast? Well, the Google Pixel 10 is expected to be announced in October 2025 with a starting price of $899. Not cheap, but for all the features packed in, it's going to be worth it. So, there you have it. The Google Pixel 10 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. From that stunning display and AI-powered camera system to the all-new Tensor G5 chipset, Google is pulling out all the stops. What do you think? Are you excited about the Google Pixel 10? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Tides is Cooling, and turn on notification so that you don't miss any of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.